Hello students, let us try to understand 45 most important questions from the group 13 and group 14 elements. So dear students, let us try to start from question number 1. What the question number 1 is, students? The valency of p block element can given generally is. The valency of p block elements can given generally is how much? That is that is the equal to valency of p block elements can given generally by group number, or that is 8 minus group number. Okay, so our required answer is option number 3rd, student. Group number or 8 minus. Suppose if you are going for p block element group number 17, so group number 17, that is 7a, that is valency can be, if 7a group means valency will be 7. Like for example IF7 is there, and other example what they are saying, that is valency if you want to grow. So the group 7a means 8 minus group number 7, so it is coming to be 1. So that is valency is 1 and valency is 7. So that is depending on 8 minus group number or group number. So our required answer is option number 3rd. The valency of p block elements is equal to group number or 8 minus group number. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen are able to form p-pi multiple bond due to small size, high electronegativity. So that is option number 4 is correct, students. Kernite, Kernite. Kernite is what, student? Sodium, Na2B4O7.4H2O. This is what is known as kernite, student, that you please memorize. Okay, this is the ore of the boron. Okay, boron is extracted from the kernite, Na2B4O7.4H2O. Now the correct order of atomic radius of 13 group element is, the correct order of atomic radius, you know, that is the radius is not in the order, student. Down the group radius is although increasing, but at the aluminum and gallium there is the deviation. So that is boron, gallium, then aluminum, indium, thallium. So because of the d orbitals, okay, d block element, gallium is having lesser radii than the aluminum. Atomic radius increases down the group. Gallium is smaller atomic radii than aluminum. So this is option number 3rd is correct. Which of the following is incorrect statement about group 13 elements? Okay, so melting point decreases from boron to thallium. This is wrong, student. From the boron to thallium melting point increases, students. Okay, so melting point group 13 elements decreases from boron to gallium and thus increases to thallium, up to thallium. So boron to gallium it is decreasing, and afterward it is increasing up to thallium. So keep in mind, student. Okay, other options are electronegativity increases from aluminum to thallium, that is okay, correct only. This all are the other options are correct. Boiling point decreases from boron to thallium, this is also correct. So that what we have to keep in mind, student, that is the option number melting point decreases from boron to thallium is not correct. Among the following powerful reducing agent is, so thallium hydroxide is powerful reducing agent. Due to inert pair effect, TiOH is stable in lower oxidation state. So it is a powerful reducing agent. So what it does, students, since it is it is supposed to be +3, but TiOH is more stable due to inert pair effect. TiOH is stable in lower oxidation state, so that it is a powerful reducing agent. Okay, in order to Lewis acid, in order of Lewis strength, the order of Lewis strength of 30 group halide is Lewis acid. So down the group it will increase, student. BX3, ALX3, GAX3 and INX3. So trihalide boron are more electron deficient and act as a Lewis acid. So down the group is, they are saying, student, that is the acidic strength is decreasing. That again you have to keep in mind, students, the order of Lewis acid strength of 13 group element down the group, it is getting decreases. Okay, now the structure of BCl3 and NH3 is, so BCl3 is planar and this is pyramidal. So now they are saying structure. So here is, that is, it is tetrahedral structure, student. Tetrahedral structure, because of formation of coordinate bond, it is forming the tetrahedral structure, students. So always keep in mind, this is having tetrahedral structure. Now let us move. The maximum number of coordinate covalent bond is in. So here is how many are there, students? If you see, here is 4, and here is how much, student? 3, and here is BN3H6. This is having the highest number of what, student? That is the coordinate bond. Okay, so Al2Cl6 have 2 covalent bond, BCl3NH, they have 1 coordinate covalent bond, and B3 and 6 boragine, inorganic benzene, have 3 coordinate covalent bond. So our required answer is option number 3. Next, the hybridization and structure of Al H2O 6 times 3 plus H. Okay, so sp3d2, that is sp3d2 octahedral. Okay, sp3d2 octahedral. So here is, that is sp3d2 hybridization is there and shape is octahedral. Most powerful oxidizing agent is, which can be most powerful oxidizing agent that can accept the lone pair electron? So thallium Tl3 plus is most powerful oxidizing agent. Next one, group 13 element Ti3 plus acts as a strong oxidizing agent due to its inability to of +3 oxidation state in thallium. Among the following amphoteric in nature, which is gallium oxide is amphoteric in nature. In group 13, Al2O3 and Ga2O3 are amphoteric in nature. Borax is Na2B4O5 OH4 times dot H2O, A is borax. So option number 3rd is correct, student. So borax is Na2B4O7 dot 10 H2O or Na2B4O5 OH dot 8 H2O. This is a transition metal salt will give blue color on borax base test. The transition metal may be, the transition metal salt will give blue color on borax. A transition metal salt will give blue color on borax base test. The transition metal may be cobalt. The transition may be, this is the cobalt. A transition metal salt will give blue color on borax base test. The transition metal is cobalt. So B2O3 with cobalt oxide, it will give, that is blue color, COBO2 twice. Orthoboric acid, acidic nature in water due to accepting electron from hydroxyl ion. It accept, okay. So orthoboric acid is a weak monobasic acid due to accepting electron pair from hydroxyl ion. Okay. Industrial preparation of B2H6 is, industrial preparation of B2H6 is BF3 plus 6 NaH at 450 Kelvin. It will give, that is B2H6 plus 6 NaF. So option number 3rd is correct. With NH3, diboron gives an adduct. With NH3, diboron give an adduct. The ion present in the adduct is, the ion present in the adduct is BH2 NH3 twice, BH2 NH3 twice positive, BH4 negative. So option number A is correct. Right. The terminal BH bond in B2H6 are, the terminal, okay, the terminal BH bond in B2H6 R, that is terminal. So terminal 2 center 2 electron bond. Okay, so there is a normal bond in the terminal. BH bond in B2H6R 2 center 2 electron bond. The electrical conductivity of aluminum is due to twice that of copper. You know, is the electrical conductivity of aluminum is twice that of copper. Direct statement from NCERT textbook. The hybridization of CO3 2 minus is CO3 2 minus is how much it will be there, student? That is sp2. Number of hybrid of 1 by 2 valence electron plus mono, that is 2 negative charge, so that is 3 is coming. So sp2. To open block drain mixture of aluminum dilute NH3 is used. The reason is pressure of produced H2 clears the drain. Among a metal is treated with dilute NaOH produces a PPT which readily dissolve in excess of NaOH. The metal is. A metal is treated with dilute NaOH produces a PPT which is readily dissolved in excess of NaOH. The metal is. So which is the metal, student? If you talk about the metal is aluminum. A metal is treated with dilute NaOH produces PBT which readily dissolve in excess NaOH. The metal is aluminum because aluminum react with NaOH, it will give the aluminum hydroxide. This aluminum hydroxide again dissolve in the base, so it will give, that is sodium aluminate, NaAlA2, or sodium meta aluminate. So that is soluble. Thermodynamic stable form of carbon is, which is the thermodynamic stable form of the carbon? That is graphite. Graphite is thermodynamic stable form. Thermodynamic stable form of carbon is graphite. So graphite is thermodynamically stable. Among the following unstable oxide at room temperature is, okay, so silicon oxide SiO, okay, is unstable at the room temperature. Silicon does not form monoxide. The correct statement is PbCl2 is stable than PbCl4. So due to inert pair effect, PbCl2 is more stable than PbCl4. Next one. Which of the following react with water to liberate H2? So Sn, teen react. So in group 14 elements, Sn only decomposed steam, Sn plus H2, SNO plus H2. The compound which do not exist is, the compound which do not exist in PbIO4 due to inert pair effect, due to less oxidizing power of I2, also due to inert pair effect. In graphite, carbon exhibit sp2 hybridization. So fourth unpaired electron form pi bond with another carbon atom, pi bond with another. The fourth electron form pi bond, which is mobile electron. The number of 6-membered ring in fluorines is, the number of 6-membered ring in fluorines is 20. The number of 6-membered ring in fluorines is 20. 26-membered rings present in fluorines. The purest form of carbon is, the purest form of carbon is lamp black. The purest form of the carbon is lamp black. The order of catenation of 14th group element. The order of catenation of 14th group element is carbon, silicon, germanium equal to Sn. So option number 2 is correct. Carbon has highest catenation power. Next one, formic acid at 100 degrees Celsius and concentrated H2SO4 gives A plus water, where A is carbon monoxide. Okay, formic acid react with 100 degree with concentrated H2SO4, so it will give carbon monoxide plus water. In the formation of CO, lone pair electron donated by oxygen. In the formation of CO, lone pair electron donated by oxygen. Hence, CO act as a Lewis base donating electron pair from carbon. Carboxyhemoglobin causes immense death when inhale large quantity of CO. The fact is due to Stabilization of hemoglobin in which Fe2 plus convert into Fe3 plus. So option number 2 is correct. In fire extinguisher, the chemical used is CO2. CO2 gas is used as a fire extinguisher. In SiO2, each silicon atom is bonded to. In SiO2, each silicon atom bonded to 4 oxygen atom. Okay, each silicon is surrounded by 4 oxygen atom. Amorphous form of silica is Kis-Lugur. Amorphous form of silica is Kissel Gur. Okay, Kissel group. CH3Cl plus Si, copper powder 570 Kelvin, it give A, is formed after several chain reaction and polymerization. The structural unit of A is, this is the structural unit of A that you have to memorize. So that is methyl chloride react with silica, so giving CH3 twice SiCl2 HOH, then it will give this molecule. Among the following silicates are mica, asbestos and feldspar. So correct option is option number 4. Among the following silicates are asbestos, mica and feldspar. All are the silicates. Alcohol are directly converted into gasoline by aluminosilicate or ZSM5. Okay, this is the zeolite and it converts the alcohol into gasoline. In fluorines, the aromatic character is due to paired electrons with 3 other atoms. Due to delocalization of electrons, fluorines have aromatic character. In 14th group element, carbon shows high catenation power due to high bond enthalpy. In the 14th group element, carbon show high catenation power due to high bond enthalpy. The highest catenation power of carbon is due to high CC bond energy. Which of the following is correct statement? GeCl6 2 minus do not exist. GeCl6 2 minus do not exist. So GeCl6 2 minus exists because Ge is large in size. It can accommodate 6 large chloride ion. Which of the following is acidic in nature? BOH, it is the actually boric acid. BOH thrice is acidic in nature. BOH2 twice is amphoteric. MgOH twice, AlOH thrice basic. BOH3 and RH3BO3 is acidic. Pyrex glass is made up of heating boric acid with SiO2 extremely at high temperature. Pyrex glass is made up of heating boric acid with SiO2 extremely at high temperature. So option number 1 is correct. Boric acid SiO2, it gives the Pyrex glass. So this is our required answer, students. Now we'll go in the next video lecture. We will try to talk about the amines. Okay, thank you so much for watching, friends. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel. I went through for my own purpose, students. The explanation is very less. Only you can go, you check out your answers. That is only, it may be helpful.